Everyone, welcome to my channel, Daniel Huang Trades. This is Daniel, and for today we're going to talk about Palantir. Palantir is another very popular stock that a lot of investors are talking about on YouTube. So far actually Palantir has been a disappointment for a lot of stockholders who bought it at the high. But they are still buying because Palantir, they believe in Palantir having a very good future like Tesla, because Palantir actually does what I call analysis, how to say, very high level of digital analysis for government. So currently they are their main business is from government contracts, which and they are currently from based on the analysis from many investors, they are moving towards the commercial side, getting more contracts on commercial side. So they're pretty excited on Palantir technologies, on what they can do. And also they are also looking to their cash flow, see whether there's an improvement in their cash flow. So for me, I'll be concentrating on the technical analysis side of Palantir. So let's take a look at Palantir today. Okay, alright, so this is Palantir chart. Okay, so for this we can see how Palantir has fallen since, how to say, 2021, since the IPO. Of course, during the IPO they started around $10. Okay, so why this big move up? Of course, many were excited. This pump up is because of a lot of YouTubers were pushing the stocks up. They're telling everyone to buy Palantir, of course. So this is why I think that this is what caused the movement in Palantir. Of course, it was also attributed to the general bullish market in 2020. All right, so we come to 2021, further pushed up again. All right, up to, wow, that's about $45 at the high. All right, before falling back down, then it consolidated, okay, forming this called channel again. Okay, so it's after that it bounced down, up. Oh, there's a lower high. Okay, you can see here. Then after that it broke out of the support here. Okay, once broken, they seems like a lot of how to say, those that probably bought it at the high, okay, probably panicked and sold down. So it has seen a steadily, it wasn't a big drop, but it's actually a steadily bleeding of the stock. Okay, spanning across since November till 2020, right now January, okay, till February. So what's interesting right now is seems to be that from what I heard across the board and also from YouTubers, that they seem to be still optimistic for the stock. Okay, so they are still buying in, probably waiting for a lower price. But let's see the pricing. Is it a good time to be going in right now? Okay, so just a disclaimer, this is not a call to buy or sell. Okay, so but what I want to go through is the technical analysis, and then you decide whether do you want to buy or sell. Of course, let's have a look at the chart. Okay, right now it's holding at about $14 here. Okay, we can see that it is supported at about around the $12 range here. Okay, $12 range. Okay, then it bounced. Okay, we can see this this bounce. There is quite a lot of buying in. We can see another buying in at around $15 here. Okay, another buying in. So it seems that people or maybe institutions are buying in. Although when I see the everyday transactions doesn't seem much. Actually, the institutions, there's not a lot of big orders for Palantir buying in. But we base on the price action, okay, but we can see based on price action we can see buying in of the stock. So how would the stock be moving forward? Okay, right now we can see that the stock price has been steadily seems to be moving upwards because it's forming a higher low. Okay, we can see here, okay, it's a bit higher since the low. This is another higher low. So let's draw some lines, okay, to show. Okay, so let's about drawing this line here. Okay, so you can see this support is supported. Okay, then after that, okay, there is a resistance somehow here at the $14 range. So let's draw a little line here. Okay, all right, so what can we see here? Okay, so it's very nice that the stock price stops at the resistance. And you know why? Because many institutions and trading firms are waiting for what that's called the earnings and revenue. Okay, expected to be announced on the 17th of February, which is maybe tomorrow. So so they're waiting for the financials to be out. So whether if it's a good result, we can see a breakout. Okay, we can see a breakout of price. Okay, so this will be good for investors. Okay, so if it's a bad result, I doubt so it will fall. Okay, so it still remains to be seen. So we still have to wait for the earnings result for Palantir. All right, but based on technical analysis, we are looking at both sides, whether it will break up, okay, or break down. So if it's a break up, then we expect to see moving up, okay, then maybe a test, then we go up again and to this range, probably $16. All right, okay, if it's a breakdown, if the market is really bad, then we should see maybe a little breakup, breakdown, maybe breakdown here. Okay, so this is the previous support. So in the worst case scenario, we will go back down to $9. All right, so this is just a little bit of technical analysis for Palantir. So that's also, thank you very much. So remember to like, subscribe, and share with your friends on Palantir if you believe on Palantir. All right, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.